In the research labs of Reality Labs in Menlo Park, Mark Zuckerberg is betting the entire future of his multi-billion-dollar empire on a single piece of hardware. While the world is distracted by the Apple Vision Pro and its $3,500 price tag, Meta is preparing a holy grail device that is designed to bring spatial computing to every single household in America. I'm talking about Meta Quest 4. But if you think this is just a Quest 3 with a faster chip, you are dead wrong. We are seeing leaks of a dual-model strategy, Project Pismo High and Pismo Low, that is designed to dismantle the competition and finally make the Oasis a reality. If you've been holding off on VR because of the bulky goggles or the blurry pass-through, you need to stop what you're doing and listen. The year 2026 is officially the year the physical and digital worlds collide. In this video, we aren't just talking about specs. We are diving into the secret neural band technology, the 4K OLED display revolution, and the Vision Pro killer feature that Apple didn't see coming. This is the Meta Quest 4, and by the end of this video, you'll realize that the headset you own now is officially a relic of the past. Let's start with the most disruptive leak we've seen so far. The Phoenix design. For years, the biggest complaint about VR has been the weight. It feels like wearing a toaster on your face. But the Quest 4 is rumored to be the first split-architecture headset from Meta. Imagine a visor that is 40% thinner and 30% lighter than the Quest 3. How? By moving the battery and the heavy processing unit out of the headset and into a compute puck or a waistband battery. This changes everything. It moves the weight from your neck to your center of gravity. You can wear the Quest 4 for 8 hours a day without a single headache. This is the pivot from gaming toy to daily computer. But the lightness isn't the only story. Let's talk about the eyes of the machine. The Quest 4 is moving to a Micro-OLED display system with a resolution that is expected to hit 3.2K per eye. That is nearly 4K per eye. When you put this on, the screen door effect is officially dead. Text is as sharp as a Retina MacBook Pro. Colors are as vibrant as a high-end Sony TV. But here is the kicker. Meta is integrating eye tracking and foveated rendering as a standard feature. This means the Quest 4 only renders what you are actually looking at in full resolution. It's a trick of biology and engineering that allows the headset to perform like a $5,000 PC while running on mobile silicon. And speaking of silicon, the Quest 4 will be powered by the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3. Our sources indicate a 50% jump in GPU performance over the Quest 3. This isn't just about smoother frame rates. This is about real-time world reconstruction. With the new AI-dedicated NPU, the Quest 4 can scan your room in milliseconds. It doesn't just see a mesh. It understands that your sofa is a sofa and your desk is a desk. This allows for mixed reality that is so convincing, you'll try to set your real coffee cup on a virtual table. This is what Meta calls Pass-Through Plus, and it's designed to have zero distortion and near-zero latency. It is the first time digital objects will truly feel locked into our physical reality. But why now? Why is Meta pushing so hard in 2026? Because of the AI war. Meta is no longer just a social media company. They are an AI company. The Quest 4 is the first AI-first headset. It's not just about what you see. It's about what the headset sees for you. Imagine walking into your kitchen